The story of the blood eagle. It's an ancient Viking ritual. The receiving end of it had to have done something incredibly dishonorable and disrespectful to somebody. They would place a person flat out over a rock. Another person would take an axe and literally just chop through their rib cage from the back, take out their lungs and flop it out onto the sides like bloody wings. So the blood eagle is kind of like our take on a Negroni. It's a really nice, rich, bitter, slightly vegetative, slightly sweet drink. First up, we got the Peychaud's bitters and 3 dashes of the Angostura, a little bit of Campari, the Averna. This is our roasted beet infused gin. We get our beets from our urban farmer at Bay Ranch, roast it for like 4 hours, and then we'll just dump the gin on top, let it infuse for 24 hours. Yeah, so it's really nice and soft and really develops the sugars and the flavors. And we just ice it up and give it a little stir. And on that, we'll also do nice orange peel.